My brothers and sisters, this video can take some long time. But by the grace of Allah you will achieve some significant details. So watch this video to the end to get full benefits.
As believers, we all strive for the ultimate reward, paradise, a place of unparalleled beauty, tranquility, and fulfillment. The Quran itself describes paradise with captivating imagery. Gardens of perpetual bliss. They will enter them, along with those who have been righteous among their parents and spouses and their children. The angels will come to them from every direction, saying, "Peace be upon you for what you patiently endured." And how excellent is the final home. This lecture will explore the concept of cultivating your reward in paradise through righteous actions in this life. The prophetic guidance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, our guiding light, provided numerous hadiths, sayings, that illuminate the connection between good deeds and the blessings of paradise. In one narration, he said, "Whoever plants a tree and diligently looks after it until it matures, will be rewarded by Allah." This emphasizes the ongoing nature of good deeds, where the impact continues to grow and benefit. Planting the seeds of reward. The concept of planting seeds extends beyond physical actions. The Quran reminds us, Allah multiplies the reward for whoever wills and forgives and overlooks. Here, positive thoughts, intentions, and forgiveness become seeds that blossom into immense rewards in the hereafter. Examples from Islamic history. Islamic history offers inspiring examples of individuals who cultivated vast gardens of reward. Consider the unwavering faith of Prophet Ibrahim, the immense generosity of Caliph Umar, or the dedication to knowledge of Imam Muhammad bin Idris Shafi. Their legacies serve as testaments to the power of righteous deeds. Growing your reward in the here and now. While paradise is the ultimate destination, the benefits of good deeds extend to our present lives as well. Helping others fosters a sense of community and purpose. Striving for knowledge expands our understanding of the world and ourselves. Living righteously brings inner peace and contentment. Conclusion. By understanding the connection between our actions and the rewards in paradise, we can approach our daily lives with a renewed sense of purpose. Every act of charity, every moment of perseverance, and every step towards self-improvement is a seed planted for a flourishing garden in the hereafter. Let us strive to cultivate not just beautiful gardens in paradise, but also a more beautiful and just world in the here and now.